Hi all, this is Daniel again with MyColdTherapy and SupplyColdTherapy. I wanted to quickly walk you through how to add comments or leave comments, since this is the common question that people ask us. When you're watching any video on YouTube and you haven't maximized a video, you'll notice that you have the ability to scroll down on the screen. When you're scrolling, you'll notice you see your store, you see comments, and a bunch of other information. To add a comment, all you do is you go to this one section right here where it says comments, and you were to type in whatever comment you may have. Something similar to, I love this video. Please continue to make more. And then you click comment. At that moment, this video is going to automatically have your comment, which we can then respond to. We hope this video helps you better understand where and how to leave comments. Let us know if you have any additional questions in the comments section below.